Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and it's been about, wow, I've accumulated some vintage books and things that I haven't shared with you yet, and I wanted to put them in a video for you and show you some of the cool things. And I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm going to do. I think I am going to sell some of them, and some of the books that I have on that shelf back there, you can see them, that whole shelf right there, and then some on this shelf. And so tonight, what I'm going to share with you is some more books that I found, and some vintage, merchandise, some products that I found. They're really cool. And so that's what this video is about. And I want to thank you for joining me today, and wish you a happy Memorial's Day. And always remember those that have given their life and sacrifice for our country and for your freedom. So anyway, let's get into the haul. Okay, so one quick thing I wanted to point out is this sign right here, inspiring you to create. There we go. This was made by a friend of my son's for me for Mother's Day, and I just love it. It has my motto on there and how I feel and my passion to help you create beautiful things in your life, and all of us have the ability to do that. So anyway, on with what I wanted to share with you about some of these vintage things that I've found over the past few weeks. So one thing that I wanted to show you is this beautiful set of handkerchiefs. Now I'll show you out of that. This is just gorgeous, and the work on this lace is so beautiful. Look at that. And I really don't know how old it is. Don't know what this says on here, but I'll show you the tag there. Let's see if okay, well, it just says 100% lace made in Japan. So anyway, it's beautiful. They are just gorgeous, and I know I'm going to use them for a junk journal, and I can't wait. All right, so the next thing that I wanted to show you that's not a book are these cool knobs that I found. And the paint is coming off, and it's actually pretty cool looking. And it can be removed, but I haven't done it yet. So anyway, I got these for a really good deal. And I don't remember what they were, but I wouldn't have paid a lot for them because I'm always looking for a deal, just like you, I'm sure. Okay, the other thing that I found are these cool beads. This whole jar of beads. It actually says beads on it, but they are really unique and very cool. So got all of these, I think, for a couple bucks. So pretty cool. Anyway, all those beads. All right. So really on to the books. The first one I'm going to show you is this Myers Paramount Sunday School Teachers Class book. And this is, you can see the writing in it, and it shows the attendance from Sunday school. And it says first class, and then it has all the students. And I love her writing. I do not see a year on here. I'm trying to look, but it's really cool, very old book. Anyway, so that's that one. Then I found this Young Eagles book, and this is really aged. It's from 1932, I think. I don't have my glasses in here, so I have to use the readers. Okay, yeah, 1932. The pages are very good shape, but they are aged, as you would expect, and a very nice book. And then I found this word book. It's called My Word Book. As you can tell, this used to be a library book. And you can see who's checked it out. And it was 1958, 1959. You can see the words. And then learning your words and your vocabulary. How to sound out your words. And let's see, it even has cursive writing in it, which I'm understanding they're not teaching anymore, which I'm very sad about because I think that's very important to learn. But I don't get to make those decisions. Anyway, I don't know how you teachers out there feel about it, but I feel pretty strongly about it. Anyway, 1950, so cool book. All right, I better speed it on up. Here's a pupil's outline for home study, and this is from 1908, and you can just tell it's pretty cool book. So nice. Then I wanted to show you this one, the Progressive Music Series. I found a lot of like teaching books, and you can tell that this has been through a lot. You have the keyboard in the back for your piano, and then it has music in here. I'll show you. And this is from 1917, and it's in perfect shape. I mean, it is amazing. And you music teachers out there, I know that you're probably drooling over this book. Anyway, it is pristine. It's in really good shape. All right, so then I found this one, and you can tell this one has been through it. This is a dictionary, and it has Marie's name on the inside. You can tell that it is pretty well aged. And this is from 1952. And, ooh, be careful. And, you know, the pages are really yellowed. So, then I found this one. It's called The Silver Stallion. And this is an illustrated, I guess, children's book, really. And it is from 1949. And you can see who owned it. And he put his name in there. And that he loved horses. And then you can see the beautiful illustrations in here, the story. So, really nice book. Then I found The Little Black Puppy. So adorable. And this book is from the Weekly Reader Children's Book Club. I don't know if any of you remember that. Weekly Reader. This is from 1961. Anyway, cool, isn't it? And so, cool book. Then I found this, these books. These are like magazines. They are catalogs, and they're really neat. And there's two of them. And this is 1956. And this one is, this Mechanics Illustrated. This one is 1952. So, really interesting books. So, fun. I don't know if any of you are book lovers like I am. Just give it a thumbs up down below, because book lovers unite, right? All right, so then I found this. It's called The Game of, and this one is The Game of Animals, The Game of Comparisons, The Game of Synonyms, The Game of Opposites, The Game of Occupations, and then it has this. And it says, Let Us Tell Fortunes. I don't know what this is about. So it's some kind of expressions, idiom. I don't know. Anyway, got that. And then they have game cards to go with the books. And these are the cards. So I don't know. I mean, I'd have to read on how to play the game. But anyway, it's really cool. And see what year it's from, but I'll show you the box is full of the game cards. And I don't know if anyone's ever heard of this before. It's from the Language Institute. And let's see, it's got all the instructions inside each book. And I wonder, it's like French, English. Anyway, if anybody has heard of this or knows about it or what it is, I don't even know what year it is, but it's cool. Anyway, so wanted to share that with you, and it came in this box like this. So it's been around a little while. Learn French by playing cards. That's what it is. It is French. Okay. So learn French by playing cards. Well, maybe I could still learn French. I took Spanish in school. So anyway, all right, here is this book. I have never seen this before. It's called Children's Activities. This is from 42, sorry, eyes. Anyway, and it is full of things for children, like the stories, little stories, and the story hour and cartoons, and just, you know, like how to make this little May Day party basket. And so it's just like a children's activity book. And then I found one more from 1949. So the one was 42, one is 49. And then on the back, it has like advertisements for swing sets and things like that. So I thought that was cool. And then I found this Life magazine. And it is, you know how I am about these, 1955. And so I just love the magazines. Okay, here's the Pepto-Bismol. I love the ads. Anyway, all right, so found that. Then one of the last things I got, I found a couple of 45s. And one is Marty Robbins, When I'm Gone, in El Paso City. And the other one is Billy Joel's Christy Lee and The Longest Time. But then the last thing that I'm going to show you is this I Love Lucy book. I did spend a little bit more on this than I normally would, but it is Lucille Ball, and I just adore her. And this book goes through all her episodes, and it gives history, and it's really, really neat. So, did you ever watch I Love Lucy? I still watch it. I still laugh every time. She makes me laugh so much. And I don't know if you know your favorite episode, but several of mine, and this is one of them, with William Holden, when she sees him and spills the pie all over him, and then Ricky brings him home and she puts some putty on her nose and catches her nose on fire. That one still makes me laugh. And then the one where she stuffs all the chicken eggs in her shirt, and then Ricky wants to practice their dance, and he smashes the eggs all under her shirt. Anyway, those two for sure make me laugh all the time. And then Vitamita Vegemin, those are my favorites. So anyway, if you watched it, tell me what your favorite is. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is what I wanted to share with you tonight. If you didn't see my Dollar Tree haul from last night, or let's say today's Thursday, Wednesday night, then go out there and watch it. There's a giveaway on there, and I'm gonna draw on Monday, so don't miss that if you're interested. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope I've inspired you to create